Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to delete unnecessary files in laptop. Chapter 1. How to delete unnecessary files in laptop. Deleting temporary files. To start, in the search box enter %temp %, click on File folder. After this, select all the content, click Delete. You can check the Do This box for all current items to confirm the action. Chapter 2. How to delete unnecessary files in laptop. Emptying trash. To start, open File Explorer. Here in the name bar, enter Recycle. Click on Recycle Bin. After that, click on Empty Recycle Bin. Confirm this by clicking Yes. Chapter 3. How to delete unnecessary files in laptop. Uninstalling apps. To begin, from Start, open Settings. Now in Apps, click on Installed Apps. There, click on the 3 points of the application. Select Uninstall, and you must confirm this operation. Depending on the application to be uninstalled, you may use the Uninstall wizard. Chapter 4. How to delete unnecessary files in laptop. Optimizing hard drive. To start, in the search box, enter Optimize, click on Defragment and Optimize drives. You are going to select Drive C and then click on Optimize. After the analysis, the defragmentation process will begin. Chapter 5. How to delete unnecessary files in laptop using disk cleanup. To start, enter disk in the search box. Select Disk Cleanup, choose the C drive. When the options load, check the boxes for what you want to remove. You're going to click OK and then confirm by clicking Delete Files. Chapter 6. How to delete unnecessary files in laptop from Storage Sense. To start, press Start and then Settings. After this, in the system, you are going to click on Storage. First, confirm that the Storage Sense switch is active. Click on this option. Next, validate that the automatic user content cleanup switch is enabled. Then, configure the various options as best suits your needs. Finally, click Run Storage Sensor now. Wait for this process to finish. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic Channel. Chapter 7. How to delete unnecessary files in laptop. Deleting special files. To start, right-click on Start and select Run. After this, enter temp. Click on OK. Here, select all the elements and click Delete. You may need to authorize this process. After this, again right-click on Start and select Run. This time you're going to enter prefetch. Click on OK. You are going to select all the elements and then click Delete. Defines the action to use in case you are wondering. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.